Hi, hope everybody had a restful night and peace, love, and coffee. Good morning, and I want to wish all the February babies a very happy birthday. And hello, February. I made some egg salad. I'm finishing up the ham. I made a mortadella sandwich yesterday for the bingo. I didn't win bingo, but I don't go for that. I go for the companionship and just to break it up, you know? So I got my egg salad, I got my celery. Yeah, I hope to make soup. Maybe Saturday. Because I'm getting my treadmill today. My daughter's coming. I have to pick up this place because my cleaning service is coming. And after that, my daughter's going to come. We're going to go see my mom. And knowing my daughter, she's going to want Greek food. So you come in for lunch, for Greek food, late lunch. I got a shoebox that I'm filling in with little stuff for my granddaughter, Natalie. For Valentine's Day, I'm going to mail it to her. I picked up, you know, a bunch of crap. Anything I thought she'd like. Candy, nail polish, things like that. We don't have a lot of birthdays today. Harry Styles. Love him. Muriel Spark, author. Janie Lake. No, is it Lake? Janie Lane. Ray I. Patch Sawyer. Don Everly. Rick James. Clark Gable. Lisa Marie Presley. Harry Styles is the only living. I picked him. I said, nah. 47 days till spring. I'm hungry. It's 37 degrees out. And it says it's clear. So the meeting's over. And it's going to go up to 45. I'm very, very happy. Today is Spunky Old Broads Day. Everybody gets a day. And I hope I say this right, aspergillosis, it's like found in mold and it goes in the lung and it's awareness. It's a problem. Car Insurance Day. Abolition of slavery, freedom, awareness. Change your password. I'm going to tell you, I don't have another password in me, all right? I don't have another password in me. Decorate with Candy Day, G.I. Joe Day, Heroes Day, Holiday Hugs, sending out Valentine hugs to you for the month of February, the love month. And there's an extra day this month. It's a leap year, so we get 29 days of 29 days. Is there a day longer for spring? I don't know how that works. We'll see. But it's 47 days till spring. Face and Body Art Day. Baked Alaska. I don't know the last time I had baked Alaska. I actually made a baked Alaska a long, long time ago, and it works. It really does. The meringue, as long as you seal it good, the ice cream won't melt. Today's names are Sean and Cameron. Dark Chocolate Day, my kind of day. Get Up Day. Sometimes it's hard, but today, get up. Serpent Day. Everybody has his day, you know. Optimist Day and Robinson Crusoe Day. I didn't look it up. If it's his birthday or... He's not a real person. Is he a person? He's a character, isn't he? I don't even... Oh my God. But I know there's a Robinson Crusoe Goes to the Mars movie. I'm always out of space, all right? Conservatorship and Guardianship Abuse Awareness Day. And so get something good to eat. You're coming to lunch. I'm pretty sure it's going to be Greek. If I know my daughter, she wants those lemon potatoes. And, you know, avoiding certain people to protect your mental, emotional health is not weakness. It's wisdom. So don't let nobody else tell you anything else. I also made a little toast. This is that great bread. I mean, I like it so much I'm even using the heel. I don't care. I always ate the heel anyway. My mother we never threw out anything. I gotta fix this place up. And that's it. It's Junior Friday, Thirsty Thursday, Thankful Thursday. Enjoy your day. Get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. And I'll see you later.